The Manufacturing Engineering Program, Faculty of Engineering, Prince of Songkhla University, was established in 1997 with the objective of producing graduates who are proficient in manufacturing engineering. Graduates will be capable of solving production engineering problems, designing products or equipment, as well as manufacturing process design or process improvement for greater efficiency. They will also be able to continuously develop themselves and uphold professional ethics. Student admission criteria are established and orientation sessions are held to prepare students. Foundational engineering knowledge is provided by the faculty before progressing into the manufacturing engineering program. The program also supports hands-on training in manufacturing engineering and providing laboratory guidance. Safety control are strictly enforced during practical sessions in case of accidents or fires. Regular maintenance of equipment ensures operational readiness at all times. Capstone projects, incorporating real-world challenges from industry, allows students to apply their knowledge in practical tasks, enhancing students' problem-solving abilities, teamwork skills, and professional development. Project outcomes are also communicated to the public. The outcome of the student capstone project in JIG design and development can demonstrate practical value and can be directly applied to enhance production lines in real industrial settings. The program promotes co-curricular activities such as bonding camps, sports events, and collaborations with external organizations, such as industrial site visits and joint activities with international universities to enhance global competencies. The university and faculty provide a wide range of facilities, such as a library, sports center, hospital, transportation services, student dormitories, computer center, laboratories, and cafeterias. The program also provides additional specialized support facilities, such as computer labs, student workrooms, and specialized laboratories. The curriculum is continuously updated to remain modern and aligned with current needs. An Industrial Advisory Board, IAB, supports and advises on curriculum improvements to ensure alignment with industry requirements.
Manufacturing engineering program support me to have experience in hands-on skill, real-world problem solving, and have opportunities for diverse work, and build up me better engineering.
Manufacturing engineering program is give me a lesson about the teamwork, mindset, and improve my experience to use the machine. And I am very grateful to study manufacturing engineering.
Graduates of the Manufacturing Engineering program will possess the knowledge and capabilities needed to thrive in a constantly changing future.